Welcome back. In a bid to ensure easy access to justice as well as quick dispensation of justice, the Lagos State Ministry of Justice, in partnership with Law Pavilion, have announced the Lagos State e-laws platform. Law Pavilion is a technology solutions provider engaged in the business of publishing judicial authorities, cases and laws, and its partnership with the Lagos State Judiciary is the first of its kind and a bold step of publishing and distributing the state laws electronically.
Gathered here are senior lawyers from the Lagos State Ministry of Justice, the Law Reform Commission, the team from Law Pavilion, journalists, and other key stakeholders. The Attorney General of Lagos is excited to announce the state's partnership with Law Pavilion, a partnership which has now seen Lagos State laws published online for the benefit of all lawyers and even members of the public.
We are the very first state to have all our laws online, available online. The significance is that so any lawyer going to court now or going to a meeting does not have to log about the hard copies of the laws of Lagos State. He can go to the meeting with his phone and just call up, as the demonstration showed up, the particular law which he wants to reference. And not only have we provided all the laws online, we have also provided all cases which have interpreted or touched on any of these laws. So it's a fantastic research tool. Everybody cannot now claim, even though it's not an excuse in law, it is now going to be more difficult to claim or feign ignorance of the law.
The Managing Director of Law Pavilion, Mr. Okpe Olugasa, takes the gathering through a practical demonstration of how it works. He says that this laudable initiative is in line with the current reality of the new normal.
The first reason why I think this is an epoch-making event, apart from the fact that it's the first of its kind, it's actually in line with current realities of the new normal, where everyone is now forced to work remotely, and the geographic space is no longer an excuse for non-delivery or non-access or non-performance. And that's the first thing why I think this is very important. And then it makes it easy for legal practitioners, for judges, to have access to the complete and updated laws of Lagos State. I think the Law Reform Commission really did a wonderful job because they went back and updated all the laws. So when you say it's actually up to date, trust me, it's up to date. And I don't think any state in Nigeria has that one. If you have looked at the World Bank's rating on ease of doing business, one of the critical or one of the cardinal points is ability, the ease of accessing laws of any state, the ease of accessing laws of the land. And with this stride, I want to congratulate the Honorable Attorney General of the State and the Solicitor General Permanent Secretary, the Law Reform Commission, the Ministry of Justice, that with this you have just crossed a threshold in evaluation of ease of doing business in Nigeria. And indeed, Lagos State is setting the pace. I'm sure all other states will have to follow your stride, sir. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My colleague will just show us very briefly how the laws work. The e-laws, rather, work. So on the Law Pavilion platform, whether on the online version or the offline version, that's either Pencil or Prime, you have a dashboard, your dashboard, go to the site manager. You can see there, before now it's been, okay, cases, Supreme Court cases, Court of Appeal cases, laws of the Federation, Section 7, and you can read the laws, and this is appeal for all the laws of Lagos State. So when you're conducting, lawyers are conducting their legal research, or judges are also advocating on any matter of that involves the laws of Lagos State, instead of them having to force, maybe they're writing judgment, in the night, then they having to go to the, wait till the next day to go to the law courts, to their library to access this. Right there, they can even be in the claim. Now, for me, this is actually interesting because now it's easy to deliver judgment on the law anywhere or the nick of time. And then anyone that's been tested in the courts that has relevant cases. You will see view relevant cases, and you can see the other state relevant cases, and it shows you the case. You can see the particular case, you can read the full judgment. So right there on your device is not just the complete laws of Lagos State, it's a whole library that gives you annotations on everything you need.
Members of the media had questions about IT support, user-friendliness, and the possibility of getting the laws online in the various Nigerian languages. The partnership appears to have given considerable thought to all the issues, and members of the public were encouraged to interact with the e-platform and provide their feedback.